I'm standing at the gas door of my first generation Scion XB, and it does not open, unfortunately, which is really common. So even when I pull a lever a few times, it still doesn't budge. So the common fix is to pry the corner, and when you pull the lever, the door is able to pop open. But right here, I can see that the spring is broken, and I'm going to replace this with a really tiny binder clip. So first, we need to pry into the base of the spring and pop it off. And here's the small binder clip that I have. There's various sizes, but you just need the very smallest ones. And the first way you can do it is just put one end of the binder clip into the gap along that piece of metal. And when you go to close the door, you'll feel a little tension from the spring action, and you can pop the door open with the lever now. And the other way you can do it is to slide part of the body into the gap of that panel and push in pretty firmly, and you'll be able to slide the clip all the way to the side. And this will put less tension so that the spring or the door doesn't completely open, just open slightly. Now you can see that the door opens fine.